Man, y'all already know who it is, man. Bored as hell, dog. Monday, snowing again. Well, nobody ready for no more motherfucking snow. I thought this shit was done. So, I'm bored, chilling in the garage, you feel me? I'm in the garage and shit, you see. Purple thing. Fixes, you know, this is. About to hook up some new shit in the whip. Out here banging my nigga Juno on my ass. Y'all ain't up on it. Yeah, I don't just listen to rap. I listen to everything, you feel me? This should be beating though, crunchy. Alright, man, that's enough. I had these neighbors calling the police on me and shit. But, you know, be looking for more updates, you feel me? I got a lot more shit I'm coming, you know. Be doing a lot more shit to the Chevy, you feel me? It's something I'm gonna be ready. Hopefully, something this hood should be coming next, man. Should be next. Skirting out on niggas, man. Hopefully. Alright, get at me.